All right. So as we look at our next exercise for CNC programming, lesson 9, what we're going to do is we're going to write the program for this part right here. We're going to use a 1/2-inch end mill, which they have set up as tool number 4. And we'll use an 1/8-inch end mill, which we'll call tool number 1. They have this coordinate entry aspect where they want us to go through and take a look at how we're going to set up and write the program. We're going to set up our G54 at the center of the part. We're going to use a 1/2-inch diameter end mill and an 1/8-inch diameter end mill. When we look at the coordinates that we're working out on the page, and we look at position number 1, if we look at the X position as minus 1.125, we would be coming out here 1.125, which would bring us out. Half of this distance would be 1.250. And so they're not using cutter compensation to go through and calculate that. And then position number 2, X would be 1.125 and Y 1.125. And position 3, 1.125, negative 1.125. And so they're basically the quadrants around this circular part. Or actually, as I look at it, I believe these are the whole locations. So if we have, let's see, our radius of 0.125, and we take and do the math on it, we would be able to come to this edge at 1.25, and then we would add in the value of the radius of 0.125, which gives us these locations for these holes. And then we'll go through and work the rest of the position coordinates out for the circular interpolation. And it's a little funny the way they didn't actually put in the actual positions on here. So do the best you can with this. And then we'll write the program for the part. Start off with the percent sign, part program number, tool numbers, and then start off with our standard format, G20, G0, G17, G40. This is our basic setup. Here's our tool change. Typically, I like to call out the tool changes with a comment. And then here we go with our G0, G90, G54, and the first position for the X and Y position. And if you're attending the Zoom meeting, this is great because you have a lot of the programming already worked out for you, and you can take a look at the video and see how to write this first program. You will need to write both of the programs, and today, if you're attending, I will give you the first program. So as we go through, we'll write this program. Once we have the program written, then what we will do is we will take that program and we will simulate it. If you're going to simulate that, you can either use the backplotting software provided by Caminstructor, or you can VPN into the Oakton computer and use CNC Easy, or you can use the Immerse to Learn software. And then the second program, which you're going to need to do on your own, is located right here. And this will be the last program that we will need to write before we take the midterm. And again, we'll go through the coordinate workout, and then we'll go through and we'll write the program for it. Okay, back to the main splash page. And so your assignment for this week is to complete part number 11 and part number 12. Now we're going to go through how to simulate the parts using the Immerse to Learn. I'm going to end this recording and we're going to start another one.